Here you can see that I have got a code block. So how can we change the font of this block? For that we need to go to design and then hit site styles. Then go to fonts and scroll down and click on assign styles. You need to scroll down until you find a code block. Here you go, and then click on text. Then we need to click on customs and then click on family. Here, as you see that the font is changing in the code block, you can browse all the fonts. You have got all the fonts that you need. I hope you found this video useful. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.